Yes, hello student. So today we will see the topic that is thermocouple, and the question maybe in the examination uh, uh, what is Seebeck effect, or write a short paper on thermocouple, or enlist the two application of thermocouple and so on, right? So thermocouple is what? Thermocouple is again a temperature measuring device, right? Like that of RTD and thermistor, thermocouple is also the temperature measuring device. A thermocouple is a transducer which will convert thermal energy into the electric energy, right? And it is used to measure the temperature at one specific point in the form of EMF or in the form of इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जैसे थर्मिस्टर में हम रेजिस्टेंस के हिसाब से हम टेम्परेचर माप लेते थे वैसे यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू मेजरिंग द टेम्परेचर एट स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट in the form of EMF or the electric current, right? So this is no need to draw this diagram in the examination. This is just for understanding purpose. Now, what will be the construction of thermocouple? A thermocouple consists of two different metal wires joined together to form a junction, right? So I'll show you this diagram, which is very important. So this is what the diagram construction of the thermometer. So these are what the two dissimilar metal के wires है ये जो ऊपर वाली दिख रही है ना ये this one. Okay, और यहाँ पे क्या लगाया है वोल्ट मीटर लगाया है और दिस इज अगेन अनदर मटेरियल की वायर टू डिसिमिलर मेटल वायर और यहाँ पे मेजरिंग जंक्शन दैट इज व्हाट यू द अब मैंने यहाँ पे मोमबत्ती लगाई है and this is what you the reference junction that is you need to keep this is as a cold one, right? And voltmeter. Okay, according to the temperature changes, you will get here the voltage with the help of Seebeck effect. Okay, what is that? I'll tell you later on. Okay, just keep in mind this diagram, and I am reading this one. Now, a thermocouple consists of two different metal wires joined together to form a two junctions. तो two junction कौन से है? ये वाला और ये वाला. Okay, this one and this one. Like now, one junction is connected to the body whose temperature is to be measured. That is left hand side one. This is the hot or measuring junction. Okay, and other junction is connected to the body of a known temperature. This is called as a cold or the reference junction. जो right hand side वाला था. Okay. Therefore, the thermocouple measures the unknown temperature of the body with reference to the known temperature of the other body. Okay. So, the amount of EMF generated in the thermocouple is very minute, that is in the millivolt. So, very sensitive device must be utilized for calculating the EMF produced in the circuit. Okay. So, ये कैसे produce होता है? With the help of Seebeck effect, I'll tell you. Okay. So, this is what about the construction. So, what is working principle? This is principle is the yeah, working principle of this one is depends on the Seebeck effect. So when the what is Seebeck effect? When the temperature different exists between the junction of two dissimilar metal, then the EMF is generated at the two junction. So Seebeck effect क्या बोलता है? अगर टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस टेम्परेचर अगर दो जंक्शन को एग्जिस्ट होता है तो आपको वहां पे क्या मिलता है EMF is generated at the two junction. Okay. And if the temperature of both the junctions are same and it is the same, then equal and opposite EMF will be generated at the junction and net current flowing through junction is 0. Yes. Now, if the junction are maintained at different temperature, जैसे मेंटेन किया है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला हमने हॉट मोमबत्ती लगाई और राइट हैंड साइड वाला हमने कोल्ड रखा है the EMF will not become zero and there will be a net current flowing through the circuit and the total EMF or the current flowing through the circuit can be measured by the suitable device and the device for measuring the current or the EMF is connected within the circuit of the thermocouple जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लगा बताया था ये वाला वोल्टमीटर लगाया है right and it measures the amount of current flowing through this circuit. Okay. Now the temperature of the reference junction is already known while the temperature of measuring junction is unknown. The output obtained from the thermocouple circuit is calibrated directly against the unknown temperature. Okay. Thus, the voltage or current output obtained from the thermocouple circuit gives the value of temperature directly. Okay. So, this is what the Seebeck event and where it is used application it is used in the offices homes or businesses. These are used in this industry for monitoring the temperature of metal in the iron aluminum and metal. These are used to test the temperature in the chemical plant and petrol power plant. Okay, so this is all about this one thermocouple. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you, sir.